Hey, Mike here from Tools Decor USA. Having the right tool is the difference between a job done right and a weekend wasted. Today, we're diving into Amazon's Cyber Monday 2025, your chance to grab the best power tools at unbeatable prices. Let's break down the top 16 tools you need this year. No fluff, just the essentials. First up, let's take a closer look at the Greenworks 24V11-2 brushless cordless drill, a true essential for any workshop, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out with DIY projects at home. This drill stands out not just for its power, but for its thoughtful design and reliability. One of the first things you'll notice is how lightweight and well-balanced it feels in your hand. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, so you can work on long projects without feeling fatigued. Whether you're drilling overhead or at awkward angles, it's easy on your arms and wrists, making it perfect for extended use. At the heart of this drill is a high-efficiency brushless motor. This advanced technology delivers more power and torque, while also extending the battery life so you can get more done on a single charge. Plus, it runs noticeably quieter than traditional drills, making it ideal for indoor projects or shared workspaces. Don't let its compact size fool you. This drill packs a serious punch. It's capable of driving long screws into thick lumber and handling both delicate and heavy-duty jobs with ease. From assembling furniture to tackling tough renovation tasks, it's up for any challenge. Versatility is where the Greenworks drill truly shines. It's a favorite among professional contractors for its reliability, but it's also user-friendly enough for DIY enthusiasts and beginners. No matter your skill level, you'll appreciate how intuitive and adaptable this tool is. Whether you're assembling flat-pack furniture, drilling into hardwood, or working with a variety of materials, this drill won't let you down. Its consistent performance means you can trust it for every project, big or small. Built with durability in mind, the Greenworks drill features solid construction that stands up to daily use. Even after frequent, demanding projects, it keeps performing like new, dependable, powerful, and truly built to last. When it comes time to choose a tool for your next job, this is the drill you'll reach for every time. It's a true workhorse, ready to help you tackle whatever comes your way, project after project. DeWalt's iconic yellow and black tools are instantly recognizable, and for good reason. They've become a symbol of quality and dependability on job sites everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend DIY enthusiast, you've probably seen these tools in action, trusted by professionals and hobbyists alike. This combo kit is a job site staple for a reason. It's designed to handle tough tasks, day in and day out, without letting you down. The rugged build and ergonomic design mean you can work longer and more comfortably, even on demanding projects. Inside the kit, you get a versatile drill that's perfect for everything from drilling pilot holes to driving screws into tough materials. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control, so you can tackle delicate work or power through dense wood and metal. Alongside the drill, the powerful impact driver is a game changer for any fastening job. It delivers high torque directly to the fastener, making it easy to drive long screws or bolts without straining your wrist or slowing you down. The impact driver's efficient design means you can work faster and with less fatigue, especially on repetitive tasks. It's a tool that truly makes a difference when you're working on big builds or renovations. Both tools are powered by DeWalt's 20V Max batteries, which are known for their fast charging capabilities and long-lasting performance. You'll spend less time waiting for a charge and more time getting things done. The included carrying case keeps everything organized and protected, making it easy to transport your tools from job to job. It's an investment in reliability and productivity that pays off every time you reach for your drill or driver. Trusted by pros, loved by DIYers, this combo kit bridges the gap between professional-grade performance and user-friendly design. It's just as at home on a construction site as it is in your garage or workshop. Whether you're building, assembling furniture, or tackling major renovations, this set is built to keep up with your ambitions. It won't quit, no matter how big the project. With DeWalt, you buy it once and use it for years. The durability and performance stand the test of time, even after countless projects. That's why DeWalt continues to lead the pack in cordless power tools, delivering the reliability, power, and innovation that professionals and DIYers demand. When regular drills stall and leave you frustrated, the DCA-20OV brushless hammer drill cordless steps up to the challenge. No more getting stuck or wasting time. This tool is designed to power through the toughest materials where ordinary drills fail. Its advanced hammer action pulverizes concrete, brick, and even the densest wood with remarkable ease, making demanding jobs feel effortless. Whether you're tackling a renovation or a quick repair, this drill delivers consistent, powerful performance. With a simple switch, you can alternate between hammer and standard drilling modes, giving you the flexibility to handle a wide range of tasks, from delicate woodwork to heavy-duty masonry. The efficient, brushless motor not only extends battery life, allowing you to drill more holes per charge, but also ensures a longer lifespan for your tool, reducing maintenance and replacement costs over time. It's the perfect choice for serious renovators, contractors, and dedicated DIYers who frequently work with masonry or other tough materials. This drill is built to handle demanding projects, big or small. If you need to drill into concrete, reinforced brick, or any other hard surface, the DCA-20IV brushless hammer drill cordless is your go-to solution. It's truly indispensable for anyone facing tough jobs and looking for reliable, professional results every time. Angle grinders are game changers, and this DCA model is all about power and safety. Cut, grind, or sharpen metal, tile, even concrete. The auto-stop safety feature prevents dangerous kickback. Cordless freedom means you can work anywhere. Well-balanced and easy to control, it's perfect for fabricators and renovators. Tackle tough jobs with confidence, a must-have for any serious toolkit. Step into pneumatic power with this 7-piece air hammer kit. It's demolition, separation and shaping, made easy. Multiple chisels mean you're ready for anything cutting, scraping, breaking, or punching. Mechanics and renovators will love its brute force, simple, durable, and built to last. If you have a compressor, this kit is essential, unmatched value for heavy-duty tasks. Rust, paint, and scale don't stand a chance against this air needle scaler. Hardened steel needles chip away coatings without damaging the base metal. Perfect for restoring cars, machinery, or prepping steel for paint. Includes a chisel adapter for extra versatility. 2 tools in 1. Clean and cut with ease. Save hours on tough cleaning jobs. Industrial power right in your garage. For precision work, the Hodo electric screwdriver kit is unbeatable. Sleek, pen-sized, and packed with precision bits. Perfect for electronics, gadgets, and tiny screws. One-handed operation makes assembly a breeze. No more stripped screws or frustration. Ideal for hobbyists, IT pros, and anyone working with small electronics. Precision and control in your pocket. Stubborn, seized screws. The Craftsman hand impact driver is your fix. No batteries, no cords, just pure mechanical force. Strike it with a hammer for instant, powerful torque. Prevents stripping and saves projects from disaster. Every serious DIYer and mechanic needs one. Simple, robust, and effective. Sometimes old school is best. Tight spots are no match for the Craftsman V20 cordless ratchet. Break loose bolts by hand, then let the motor do the rest. Slim head fits where other tools can't. Swappable V20 battery for convenience. Huge time saver for mechanics and tinkerers. Comes with battery and charger. Ready to go. Upgrade your toolbox, save your knuckles. Meet the modern chainsaw, battery-powered, quiet, and easy to use. Perfect for trimming, storm cleanup, and firewood. No gas, no fumes, no hassle, just charge and go. Lightweight and safe for anyone to handle. Ideal for homeowners and yard warriors. All the power you need, none of the mess. Chainsawing made simple. Woodworkers, this is your secret weapon for perfect cuts. The Tracksaw Parallel Guide ensures straight, repeatable rips every time. Set your width once, cut flawless strips all day. No more measuring and marking for every cut. Essential for cabinets, furniture, and precision projects. Turns your track saw into a pro-grade tool. Upgrade your accuracy. Save time. Table saw safety just got smarter with the Feather PRO FP1. High-density foam feathers guide wood and absorb kickback energy. Protects your hands, your blade, and your workpiece. Cleaner cuts, less vibration, and no plastic shrapnel. Essential safety for every table saw user. Small investment, huge peace of mind. Don't cut corners on safety. Installing cabinet hinges. This metal jig makes it foolproof. Clamp, drill, done. Perfect holes every time. No measuring, no guesswork, no mistakes. Durable metal construction for repeat accuracy. Pros and DIYers save time and avoid costly errors. Achieve a professional look with ease. A must for any cabinet project. The Jorest 155-in-1 kit is the ultimate electronics toolkit. Every bit you'll ever need for phones, laptops, consoles, and more. Includes electric and manual drivers, tweezers, pry tools, and more. Organized, comprehensive, and ready for any repair. Save money, fix your own devices. For tinkerers, techs, and anyone who loves to DIY. No screw left behind. Cut cardboard, fabric, and plastic with zero effort. The Hodo EdgeFlow electric scissors do the work for you. Clean, fast cuts. No more sore hands or jagged edges. Cordless and ergonomic for total convenience. Perfect for crafters, shipping, and everyday tasks. Safer than a utility knife. Easier than manual scissors. Once you try them, you'll use them everywhere. One more shout out for the DCA hammer drill. It's your ticket to tackling concrete and masonry. Secure shelves, mount TVs, or install railings, no problem. Brushless power and hammer action make tough jobs easy. If you want to expand your DIY skills, this is the tool. Don't let brick or concrete hold you back. Grab this deal and unlock new project possibilities. Confidence and capability in one tool. That's the list. 16 tools that can transform your projects in 2025. Cyber Monday deals are fleeting. Act fast or miss out. Every tool is linked below for easy access. Invest in your skills, save big, and get the right gear now. Thanks for watching. Now go build something great! From Tools Decor USA, happy building!